Hello, I'm Sean Hawks with Precision Diagnostic Instruments, and I'm here to talk about PDI's new DM-918, Economical Compact Digital Multimeter designed and built specifically for HVACR technicians and the demands on HVACR technicians in today's world. The DM-918 features a large, easy-to-read, 4-digit, 6,000 count backlit display. The DM-918 comes complete with a set of premium test leads, a bead-style K-type thermocouple for temperature measurements, and the K-type adapter. It's designed for auto and manual ranging in both AC and DC, has an auto power off function with optional disable, is built with a rugged rubber plastic co-molded body for ease of grip, nice comfortable feel, and added durability. The DM-918 can measure capacitance, frequency, temperature, and resistance along with AC-DC current and voltage. It also features a max-min function and a data hold function to allow technicians to take easy readings for diagnostic work. DM-918 has an intended resale value of around $50, making it perfect for any new technician to the industry who needs a reliable, precise, and durable meter but doesn't have a huge budget. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and designed to meet the needs and wants of any HVACR technician in today's world. For more information on availability and pricing, contact your local HVACR distribution house, or you can go to www.pdimeters.com and look for more information there.